Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Abdul Ghaffar Abbasi here, and today we will discuss the nomenclature of alkynes, the third homologous series of the organic compound. In our last lecture we have discussed the nomenclature of the alkenes. So today we will discuss the nomenclature of the alkynes. So let us discuss the topic in detail. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. IUPAC nomenclature of alkynes. As you know, there must be some rules related to this one. So the rule number 1 for this nomenclature of alkyne is that, as you know, that is, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms, whether straight or branched, and that include both carbon-carbon triple covalent bond. As we have discussed in alkene, that must contain the carbon-carbon double covalent bond. So we will select that chain that must contain the carbon-carbon triple covalent bond. So look at the example related to this rule number 1, that is CH3 carbon-carbon triple covalent bond, and then CH2 as well, and then CH3 also. So the numbering, this will be the rule number 1, that we have to select the longest chain. So this will be the longest chain. And one thing more I am telling here, that how to prove the valency of the carbon in this structure we have to write this full structural formula, full structural the structure of this compound, like how many carbon are there, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So where is the carbon-carbon triple covalent bond? At this position. Now what is this one? This is CH3. So look at here, CH3 I have placed here, and the carbon-carbon same, then this CH2, and then this CH3. So this is easy way to understand the complete structure of the organic compound, and then if you write in this way you can understand the structure. So now check the valency of the carbon, whether it is completed or not. That is 4. So this carbon, one with this hydrogen, one with this hydrogen, and one with this hydrogen single covalent bond, and one with this carbon. So valency is satisfied. 1 plus these 3 triple covalent bond complete. 3, this is triple covalent bond, and 1 with this carbon. 4, valency is satisfied. Look at here, it is very much clear that the 4 valency of this carbon is also satisfied, and of this is also satisfied. So in this way, this is the very easy way to write the structure, full structure of the compound, organic compound, and in this way you can understand better. Now the rule number 2, the numbering of the longest chain starts from that end nearest to the carbon-carbon triple bond. Where the carbon-carbon triple bond is near, we will start the numbering from that end. We will not focus the alkyl radical as we were focusing in the nomenclature of alkane. Sorry. So now look at the example. CH3, and then CH2, then carbon-carbon triple covalent bond, and then CH. So this is the structure, and we will give the numbering, start the numbering from that end where the carbon-carbon triple bond is near. So it is near when we are starting from the right side. So 1 2 3 and 4. So in this way you can give the numbering to the chain. You will give the numbering, you will start the numbering from the that end where the carbon-carbon triple bond is near. Now next rule is that rule number 3, the position of triple bond is indicated by the number that carbon atom to which it is attached. So we have to mention the position of the carbon-carbon triple bond as well. Now look at here, these are the 2 examples I am showing you. This one CH3, CH2, and carbon-carbon triple covalent bond, and then CH3, this one CH, and then there is another example, this one that is CH3, and then carbon-carbon triple covalent bond, then carbon CH2, and then CH3 as well. So how you will give the numbering? You will give the numbering from that end where the carbon carbon triple bond is near, 1 2 3 and 4. So how you will give the name? Look at here, you people have to mention the position of the carbon carbon triple covalent bond, that is the 1. So 1 and complete parent name is 4, means butene. So this is alkyne, so we will write not butene but butane, because we will replace this by YNE, butane, because this is alkyne. And what about this one? You will give the numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 5, because the carbon carbon triple bond is near from left side, not from the right side. So you will mention this carbon carbon triple bond is at the second, so 2 and complete parent name is 5, so 2 pentine, because this is alkyne. So this is the rule number 3. Now the rule number 4, the triple bond is in the compound is indicated by changing suffix ane and to the yne. This we have already discussed. I am giving you another example related to this one, like CH3 and then carbon carbon triple covalent bond, then CH2 and then CH3. So the how you will give the numbering, 1 2 3 and 4, right? And then you will this is CH3, then carbon carbon triple covalent bond, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the mistake here. You have to write carbon carbon triple covalent bond and then CH2 and then CH3. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So how you will give the name to this compound? 2 and the complete name is 5, so 2 pentine. We have replaced that YNE and we have not written the ANE. We have replaced this ANE by the YNE. So this is the rule number 4. Now the rule number 5. If 2 or more triple bonds are present in the chain, then they are indicated by the prefixes di, tri or tetra. If there are more than one carbon carbon triple covalent bond, then what we will do? We will we can say that add the prefixes like di, tri. So this is the rule number 5. Example is this one. This is CH3 and then carbon carbon triple covalent bond, then carbon carbon again triple covalent bond. So numbering we will give from here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many carbon carbon triple bond are there? There are we can say that 2 carbon carbon triple covalent bond. One is at first and second is at third. So we will write 1 3 di, because there are 2, and what is the complete name? That is 5. 1 3 di pentine. Right, in this way, or in other words you can write in this way as well, 1 3 pentadiene. This is also the another way you can give the name in this way as well. So these were the 5 rules related to the nomenclature of alkyne. And then there are also some compounds containing carbon carbon double covalent bond and carbon carbon triple covalent bond as well. So then how we will give the name to that type of the compounds? So look at the rules. for those compounds containing carbon-carbon double and carbon-carbon triple covalent bond. When double and triple bonds are present in a molecule at the equal position or at the same position, we can say that equal position means carbon-carbon double bond is also at the second from right side, and carbon-carbon double triple covalent bond is also present at the left side at the same position. So in this way we can say that is the equal position. Then preferences will be given of numbering will be given to the double bond. Then we will start the numbering from that end where the carbon-carbon bond double bond is present. Look at the example for this one. Say suppose this is the CH2 double bond and then CH2 carbon-carbon triple covalent bond and CH. So look at here. For example, we are starting the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, and say suppose another student is starting the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now move towards the rule number 1. What the rule number 1 says? Rule number 1 says that you will start the numbering from that end where the carbon-carbon double bond is present. If carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond are at equal positions, as I have told you earlier that carbon-carbon triple bond is also present at the first carbon from the right side, and carbon-carbon double covalent bond is also present at the on the first carbon at the we can say that this is at the right side and this is from the left side. So they are at equal position, so we will prefer the carbon-carbon double covalent bond. So in this way this numbering will be correct, like we will start the numbering from the left side. So this is the rule number 1. And how we will give the name to this compound? We will give the name to this compound like at the first position triple covalent bond is present, so we will start the numbering from alkyne 1, sorry, not from the alkyne but from alkene. So at the first position carbon-carbon double bond is present 1 pentene, and then carbon-carbon triple covalent bond is present at the fourth position, fourth carbon. Look at here. So we will write here 4 and then YNE. YNE means carbon-carbon triple covalent bond. In this way we will give the name to this compound. So now we are moving towards the rule number 2. In case of chain containing both double and triple bond at the different positions, now carbon-carbon double covalent bond and triple covalent bond are not at the equal position but they are at the different positions, then the numbering we will start from that end where double or triple bond is near. We will focus on where the carbon-carbon double bond is near, either the carbon-carbon triple bond is near. From that end we will give the numbering. Now say suppose this is the example, CH3 CH double bond and then CH2 then C triple bond CH. So now look at here, carbon-carbon triple bond is at this position and carbon-carbon double bond is at this position. They are at the different positions. So we will focus the numbering. We will start the numbering from that side where carbon-carbon double or triple bond is near. So carbon-carbon triple bond is near at from the right side. So we will start the numbering from here. This will be correct one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will be the correct way. And if the student is starting from numbering from left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and then he is giving the name to this structure, so this will be incorrect. So how we will give the name to this structure? As I have told you earlier that we will give the name to the alkene first, so where the carbon-carbon double bond is present at the fourth position. So 4 and what is the parent name? That is hexene, 4-hexene, and where the carbon-carbon double bond, triple bond is present, that is at the first position. So we will write here 1 and YNE because it is alkyne. So these are the two rules, very important rules for the compound containing carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond as well. So this was the the very important video related to the nomenclature of alkynes and the compound containing carbon-carbon double bond and also triple bond at same equal position and at different positions. I hope you understood this very important topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.